Hello guys! Good afternoon! So late na kami ngayon makapag-vlog. Pupunta pala kami ng park. Hello? Where are you escaping, matey? Okay na, naglalaro na siya, no? So, hindi siya magbabike today. Pupunta na kami ng park para maglaro. At saka, yun lang. Tapos, uwi na agad. Siguro mga 1 hour lang. Ano sa park. Para ano. Oh, your shoes you gotta bring upstairs. Oh, let's go na. Bring your jacket na.
Mommy,
Come on.
what?
Say it again. What did you say?
Again.
Huh?
Again.
I don't understand, Christian.
Again.
Huh?
Again.
What about again?
Yeah.
What is it?
See.
Say cheese! Gusto tayo pa-picture pala. Oh, your shoes is very dirty. So, pupunta kami ng ano guys, ng park. Doon, paglaruin ko na lang si Cristiano kasi nga, para maano siya. Para mapagod siya ba kasi sa gabi mahirapan ako magpatulog sa kanya. So, kasi dito lang sa bahay, parang kawawa naman siya no, na puro na lang laro. Ito sa loob. So, labas muna kami. Saglit. What's that? Ito yung gulo niya. Ito yung gulo niya. Salaw. Kaguluhan dito. So, ito yung kalat niya.
What is
You have to eat me? Slice, mommy? Oh. Oh, ito yun yung mga ano niya. Lalaro niya. So, hayaan ko muna yan na magkalat siya dyan kasi kapag magligpit ka ng maligpit, useless lang naman kasi magkalat pa rin yan. Hello? What's that? Uy, I think you need a wee-wee first before we go. Yeah? Wee-wee first? Yeah, wee-wee first. Come on. Yeah, wee-wee first. Come on, let's go to toilet. What about these eggs? Can you pick up eggs? Guys, you want to eat guys? Okay, eat guys then. You want to kainin? Kainin na kayo ni King. Nam 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 nam. You eat guys. You're gonna eat them. That way, in the flower. Circles. It's not even fixed yet. Look, they're still fixing it. Huh? They're still fixing. Look, it's wet na. Grabe eksperimento ni Christian ba? Okay, that's enough na. Getting wet na. What's Christian's doing? Dahil pa akong gawain, King ba? Show them. What is it? Show your Bluey. And Bingo. King got a new friend. Bluey and Bingo. Come on, show them. Where's your Bluey? This one. Ah, Bingo. Yeah, show them. Hello. What's that? Gentle. What's that? Bluey. Say Bluey. And Bingo. Christian, are we reading a book?
No.
Why not? Why you don't want to read a book? You should read a book before sleep, you know. What's the matter? Ay, don't, what are you doing? Be gentle. Not gentle, oy. Not gentle, Christian. Nakikita ko yung mga doon. Hindi maayos yung ano mo dyan, oh. Yung room. May mga damit pa, oh. Kalat yan, guys, kasi hindi ko pa naayos yung room niya. Hey, be gentle, ano. Wait na, because I'm going down. I'm gonna watch some telly. Come on, Let's gonna read the book first. Read the book.
Okay.
What book? Come on, choose a book now.
Hey.
What book?
Probable.
Huy, Christian, you're not gentle, are we? Si Chili, ano ba yan? How old are you, Christian? How old are you? 200? 400? You're 400 years old. What is your name? What's your mother's name? Very good. What's your daddy name? Christine still. So your daddy named Christine and your mommy named Christine. Wow. And you are Christian. Yeah? What a name. What? Say it again. Say it again. Huh? Christine. Oh, say good night na to guys. Oh. Good night. Say good night na. Come on. You're waiting. Oh. Good night. Say good night.
No.